So it's 1 o'clock in the morning. The participant is asleep, and now I'm going to sleep for 4 hours, and then I'll wake up and I'll wake the participant up and do the experiment.
Hi, I'm Karen Konkoly, a third-year PhD student at Northwestern University, and I study lucid dreaming. A lucid dream is when you're inside a dream and you realize that you're dreaming. So in the lab, we study lucid dreams when participants are in REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. And in that stage of sleep, all the muscles in your body are completely paralyzed except for your eyes and occasional twitching. So we use those eye signals to communicate with dreamers while they're asleep. So this is the laboratory where I work. These are EEG caps that we put on people's heads and wires that we use to look at their brain waves. Here is a nap chamber. So our participants will come in here and sleep. While they're doing that, I sit out here on these computers and I'll watch their brain waves. Before going to sleep, we wire participants up to polysomnography so that we can measure their brain waves and see what stage of sleep they're in. Then, before they fall asleep for 20 minutes, we do a training where we ask participants to associate a specific sound, such as a harp sound, with a lucid state of mind.
That's the sound. Soft harp. As you notice the signal, you become lucid.
This way, we do this training for 20 minutes, and then we present the sound again during REM sleep to try to trigger lucid dreams in our participants.
It's 4:30. It's time to wake my participant up.
To tell us that they're lucid, we ask participants to make these dramatic left-right eye movements while they're asleep. And that corresponds to what their eyes are doing in their sleeping body, and we can measure that with electrodes next to their eyes.
These are the eyes. Sometimes during REM sleep, the eyes will move like this. Oh, they're doing the task in REM sleep. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
In a recent study, we asked questions to lucid dreamers, and they were able to hear and answer the questions all while remaining asleep. In this example, the dreamer was having a dream about being in his favorite video game, and he looked left, right, left, right, left, right to tell us that he was lucid. He did that twice, and so then we presented a math problem, just very soft, 8 minus 6, and he answered 2. We asked the math problem again, and he answered again. More work is needed to understand why they sometimes answer and why they sometimes don't. But we hope that future studies along these lines can help us understand more about what's going on in the mind during sleep and how those experiences can relate to our functioning when we're awake as well. Thank you so much for listening.